The hydraulic drum dumpers eliminate the need for harmful lifting and bending motions. These units are available in both stationary and portable versions. Both units come standard with 115-volt single-phase AC power. Each unit is constructed of all welded steel for years of dependable use. Units come with a solid steel chute and adjustable drum restraints in order to stabilize multiple sizes of steel, plastic, and fiber drums. These features combine to keep the drum and its contents in constant control while dumping. The hydraulic drum dumpers are offered in a variety of sizes and capacities. Dump heights range from 36 inches to 72 inches with a maximum dump angle of 45 degrees. Capacities range from 750 to 1,500 pounds. The chute is rotated by simply pressing the up-down buttons on the 24-volt handheld push-button control, which is tethered on an 8-foot coil cord. This control features a lift-hold lower sequence that allows the operator to stop travel of the chute at any time. Portable units feature 2 rigid and 2 swivel casters along with a push handle. They also come standard with a T-handle floor lock to keep the unit in place while dumping. Convenient options for the hydraulic drum dumper include a stainless steel chute, FDA-approved white powder coat, and a bucket bracket used to hold 5-gallon pails. Custom sizes, capacities, and configurations are available.